All right, now that the window's installed, it's sealed, now it's time to show how this window actually operates. All right, the first thing you want to do is you want to come over. It's got a double locking system on it. Undo both locks. Now both locks are undone. Now this window has a double night lock on it. Push the night locks up, in and up, and it comes out. And they only allow you to open the sash that far. That way if you want to take a nap or something, you can do it. You don't have to worry about anybody getting in or out. Then just push them right back in and push them down at the same time. Latches them right back into place. And now to tilt these in, raise the window up. You want to go at least 6 inches. What I always like to do is make sure I've got at least my fist in there. And then it has both of the side locks, the sash locks for the tilt. You just push them both in, and you just let them come down nice and easy. And in this case, it can actually go to the floor. And then you can leave it there to clean it. You can hold it, but you always want to keep it at an angle because if you have it straight up and down, it'll allow it to come right out of the shoe locks. And then the top sash is basically the same way. You want to pull it down. Up on the top here is 2 more locks. Pull them in. Then you can tilt it down. Right like that. Go ahead and clean it. And now when you're done, you just lift it back up, preferably with 2 hands. Pull in the sash, the tilt locks. Let it snap itself back into place. Push it up. Then you grab the bottom. Like I said, 2 hands. It's easier to keep it level that way. Tilt it all the way back up. Pull in the tilt locks. Let them snap back into place. Pull your window down. And there, locks right back up.